Hey guys, if you are a Kenneth Walker III fan, he is the running back on the Seattle Seahawks. The front office, from what I saw a little bit ago on a source that I will not give out, that is unknown. Apparently, the Seahawks front office is not going to put a franchise tag on Kenneth Walker III. He will be going into free agency, and that is all I know right now. So, this last year was his last year on the Seahawks. I will keep on spreading sports news. See you in my next video or podcast.